Hi guys! To see how I got 2 quick and easy hairstyles for short hair, keep watching! So the first hairstyle is super fun, and I'm going to use my Pureology Color Fanatic 21 Benefits and spray my hair. And I'm pulling out my bangs in the front, and I'm going to part my hair right in the center all the way down, and I'm going to brush all of my hair up high. And I'm using a large black hair tie. And then I go around twice, and then I loop my hair through, but don't pull it through all the way. And do the same thing to the other side. Now I'm going to take either side and wrap it around, tuck in any hairs, and I'm going to bobby pin it. Then just pin down any hairs that you want. I really like the messy look. Then do the same thing on the other side. Wrap it around and pin it. Then, if you have really short hair like I do, you can just leave these baby hairs hanging down, or you can twist them up like I'm going to do. And I'm going to spray some of this in my hand just to wet it a little bit. And then you just take these hairs and twist, and then come up on the outside. You can pin your buns down and make them any shape that you want. And that's it. I love this hairstyle. It's so cute and fun. This next look is the hairstyle that I wore for New Year's Eve. And you guys were asking how I did it. It is so super easy. I'm getting my hair damp. And on New Year's Eve, I used my husband's hair stuff. This is Sebastian Micro Web Fiber. And I'm not going to use this right now, but like on New Year's Eve, I used this and my hair did not budge. Not one hair moved out of place. This is a lighter option to keep your hair in place. This is John Frieda Frizz Ease Secret Weapon Touch-Up Cream, and I've got this in my hair right now, and it's not sticky or crunchy or anything, but it will help hold my hair in place. So I'm going to section off my hair. And I'm going to just pull back the rest of my hair right now. And I'm going to start French braiding my hair really close to the front, just like a tiny bit of the bangs to start. I'm going to braid this one extra time just to get that look going, and then just do a regular French braid. Then you just keep braiding the hair that's left over. and tie that off with an elastic. And you can see I have like some fuzzy hairs sticking out. On New Year's Eve when I used this, it was so sleek and nothing was falling out. I'm not going to put it in right now because I don't want to wash my hair. My hair is clean and I don't want to get all that sticky stuff in it right now. Then I'm going to brush all of my hair up super tight into a high ponytail. And I'm using a large hair tie. And I'm taking out the braid that I had done. And I'm going to tuck that piece back in. Then I'm going to take the two side pieces, wrap it around, and pin that into place. And you can play around with the bun and pin it however you want. I'm going to do one more pin in the back. And the same thing with the baby hairs. Then just keep pinning up the baby hairs, and when you're using like a strong styling cream, all of these baby hairs stay up and you need a lot less bobby pins. And that's it. Super quick and easy. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye!